Hey, what's up guys, it's Abhi here again. Welcome back to another video. So I have just recently moved house from one suburb to another suburb. Before moving house, I was thinking how I'm going to move the whole house into a new house, like fridge, washing machine, dryer, television set. So I was thinking how I'm going to move everything from one house to another house, and I was calling different numbers, different home movers, and everyone telling me that they're gonna charge me $600, $700 or $800, and that was too much for me to pay. So I was thinking what could be the cheapest option. I can move all the house stuff from one home to another home. So I have found a way, the cheapest way to move all your house stuff from one home to your new home. So I will tell you now that what you need to do, that you do not have to call anyone to move stuff for you. It's very simple and easy. If you are a little bit physically fit, you can be able to do it yourself. So what I did, I called a company where you can hire a trawler, and that trawler was only $60 for 24 hours. And in that trawler you can put everything you want to, and the good thing about that trawler, that it has got a ramp, and through that ramp you can slide your stuff into the trawler, and then it has belts as well, so you can tighten it so it doesn't move. And then at the same time I managed to hire it only for $10 a trolley, which is a professional trolley which can take everything, including fridge, television set, bed set, sofas, washing machine and dryer. So I'm going to show you the trawler and a trolley which I hired from one of the company, and it cost me only $70, $60 for the trolley, for the trawler, and $10 for the trolley. This is a ramp, guys, so you can drop it all the way to the ground, and I'll quickly show you how to drop it. If you come closer please. So this is the ramp. You need to pull it downwards like this. Then there's another handle here like this, and then this is you can pull it all the way down, and make sure your hands are on this. You bring it all the way down here on the floor, and then through this trolley, guys, you can lift everything. Fridge, the heaviest stuff in your house can come onto this trolley, and there is a belt here you can tighten it with, and then you can slide it all the way through this ramp, into the trolley, and you do not have to lift it at all with your own hands. This trolley and this ramp and this trawler will do all the work for you. You just have to push it, and it doesn't take much strength at all. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found this video really helpful, and next time you will also do the same thing, because it's one of the cheapest way you can move your home stuff from your old home to a new home. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.